Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn off location in Instagram app on Android. Okay, so first of all let's check out whether we have location enabled or not in our Instagram app. Okay, so just find your Instagram app on your Android device. So let me find mine. Okay, so here is my Instagram app. After finding that, just tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that guys, you have to log into your Instagram account. You can see that I'm already logged in. Okay, and you have to tap on this search icon in the bottom menu. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that tap on this search box at the top. So let me tap on this. Okay, and after that tap on this places. So let me tap on the places, and if you see this nearby places, that means your location is enabled. Okay, so let's turn off this. So just exit from your Instagram app. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, and after that guys, you have to find the settings app on your phone. Okay, so let me find mine. Okay, so here is my settings app. Just tap on this to open it. Okay, and here we have the settings app opened, and after that guys, you have to open this apps and notifications. Okay, some phones only have apps. If you are using Redmi phones, then you have manage apps or installed apps. Okay, so whatever option you have, just tap on this to open it. I have apps and notifications, so let me tap on this. Okay, you can see it's opened. Let me tap on this see all. I have only 75 apps installed, so let me tap on this. Okay, so you have to go to your all apps, and after that find your Instagram. So let me find mine. Okay, so here is my Instagram app. Just tap on this to open it. Okay, and after that tap on this permissions. Okay, so let me tap on this. You can see it's opened, and here we have the location is enabled. You can see the switcher is on, so just tap on this switcher to disable this. So let me tap on this. You can see it's disabled. The location is disabled. So let's go to our Instagram app. So let me exit from here. Let me open the Instagram app. And you can see guys, here we have the location turned off. Okay, you can see we are getting this option turn on. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily turn off your location in Instagram app on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.